Bitcoin has been dumping more and more towards the downside in that short term, but in that longer term, I still do expect that we are going to be seeing another move towards the upside being created. And that's why I'm saying maybe in the short term, we are going to be a little bit bearish, but in the longer term, I do think that we are going to be seeing a huge pump. So I'm going to be explaining that exactly in this update video. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 190 likes? That would be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's start off with that short term. And yesterday we were having a look into what's this falling wedge pattern being created. And usually this pattern does break out towards the upside, but right now we actually saw a breakdown, and this is actually very rare. I did not see this happening a lot, but this is actually one of the few times that I actually do see this bullish biased pattern actually breaking towards the downside. Now, honestly, I do think that this is actually pretty strange, but yes, in the short term, we can be seeing a little bit more of a bearish momentum because of this breakdown. Now, in that longer term, we are actually still getting supported. Now, a very important question is going to be, are we still getting supported by this falling wedge breakout and this trend shift towards the upside? Or was this just a fake out and are we once again headed for some more consolidation before eventually breaking towards the upside? Well, honestly, in the short term, it is looking very strange. Honestly, it was very much looking like we are gonna reverse towards the upside right now. But right now it is just looking like it might just take a little bit longer before eventually we are going to be seeing that confirmed breakout and that confirmed market shift. Now, I would like to wait and see the reaction from off this level of support. Can we be seeing a bounce from off this level, or are we going to be dropping down below? If we're going to be dropping down below, well, definitely we are still trading inside of this falling wedge pattern, and this was just going to be a fake out from off this level. But honestly, I just want to be seeing this reaction from off this level, because in that short term, I am honestly just not getting a very clear picture of what is about to happen in that short term. We are getting a breakdown over here. We are still getting supported, maybe still trading inside of a falling wedge, and maybe already seeing this breakout. The RSI indicator is just flipping very bullish. So that is also why I've been saying I honestly am not sure what Bitcoin will do here in the next few hours to days, but one thing is for certain, and this one thing I do know that in the coming next few weeks to months, we will see another huge move towards the upside. And that is also why I've titled this YouTube video like this. Maybe in that short term, we can be seeing a little bit more of a dump, but in that longer term, I definitely do know that we are going to be seeing another move towards the upside. I do think that we have already seen the bottom right here at that 57k level. I do not think that we are going to be dropping down below that level. I do actually think that the bottom is already in over here. We have seen our standard correction while short-term Bitcoin holders were actually capitulating at the exact bottom. And eventually, I do think that we are going to be seeing this a very bullish breakout outside of this bull flag pattern, because what we can be having a look in towards is that literally Bitcoin traders are right now trying to be shorting the market while we are seeing this very bullish consolidation, this bull flag pattern. We can be seeing that the funding rates have been decreasing, getting towards neutral areas, meaning that yes, indeed, Bitcoin traders are now trying to be shorting the market and they are not really that bullish anymore during this actually very bullish consolidation. And yeah, on top of that, also that majority of the Bitcoin liquidity is still sitting at the top side. We do know that Bitcoin tends to move towards a place where that majority of the liquidity is sitting at. Right now, it's most definitely towards the top side. Now, we do not know when it is going to be getting grabbed, but eventually it is going to be for certain that this liquidity is going to be getting grabbed. Okay, just so much liquidity sitting over here. So yeah, with that being said, maybe in the short term, we can be seeing a little bit more of a consolidation over here, and that could be very bullish for the altcoins if Bitcoin were to be consolidating over here. Now, honestly, I just do not know what is going to be happening in that imminent short term. The situation is just very weird, and currently I do not have a very clear picture, but one thing is for sure, I am right now preparing myself for that next Bitcoin move, because eventually I do think that we are going to be seeing another move towards the upside getting created. And guys, if you are also going to be getting interested in preparing yourself right now, make sure to check out that first link down below, because you can right now be claiming this $40,000 deposit bonus over on Bybit. Now, without this link, this is only going to be $400, so make sure to check it out with that link down below. Now, if Bybit is not going to be available in your country, make sure to check out either CoinW or Deepcoin, because on CoinW, you can also claim insane bonuses, and also on Deepcoin as well. Now, there is actually going to be still some breaking news, because yesterday night, Donald Trump has announced that he is going to be fine with crypto, and if he's going to be getting elected, that is going to be very bullish for crypto, because probably he is going to be regulating crypto right. So yeah, that election day is still pretty far away, but leading in towards this election date, probably it's going to be very bullish, as Trump might actually be winning this election coming up. Well, this is just going to be something to keep your eyes on, because if Donald Trump is going to be winning this election, that is going to be bullish for crypto. Now, anyways, I'm still going to be repeating it. I do think that Bitcoin is about to be headed absolutely parabolic. That's why I'm positioning myself with a Bitcoin long position right now. I do not want to be missing this out. Still, I do not think that right now in the short term is going to be the time to be getting shaken out. I am still making massive gains with altcoins right now. For example, Lanify has been pumping a lot after I've been making this video over here. Also, Render has been pumping a lot. And AI projects in general are just making me so much money right now at this current moment. So yeah, have your eyes out on that. Now, anyways, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.